joining us this Friday morning on Your Carolina. We've got Mitchell Byrd with the Carolina Law Group because just on Monday, I mean, it's crazy to look outside now and see 60s that it's going to get up to.
Maybe more tomorrow.
Yeah, sunny skies. On Monday, the roads were awful. Over 300 wrecks, like in our area, about 120 just here. How do y'all play a role in that?
Right,
you said your phones have been ringing off.
We're all glad to see the sunshine,
Yes.
but when the weather gets bad like it was, like I said, the phones have been ringing pretty steadily because a lot of people just aren't familiar with how to drive in bad conditions, and accidents happen.
Yeah. So what's the first step? Because something like ice. If you slide on ice and you run into somebody, is that still my fault?
It
I'm
could
the
be.
driver?
Yeah, it really could be. Usually, if you hit someone with your car, even if you're sliding on ice, it's generally your fault. If the conditions are bad, you could be citing for driving too fast for the conditions.
Sure.
Gosh.
Got it. So I think the bottom line is if when in doubt, talk to your lawyer. Don't be signing anything if you were in a little bump in or something.
Sure, I think that's good advice. Yeah, that's right. I think if you're in a bump up, the first thing is, check around to make sure that everyone's okay, but you really ought to call law enforcement just to document what happened, let your insurance company know, and if you want to talk to an attorney, call one. Lots of attorneys.
You don't know what we can find one, do you?
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Ding, ding, ding.
There are a lot of attorneys out there, and a lot of them, like us, offer free consultations. So you can call and set up an appointment to discuss what happened.
You are a Carolina law firm.
Carolina Law Group, that's
yeah.
right.
Law Group. Where are you located?
We have 4 offices, so we're pretty convenient for anybody that wanted to find us. Downtown Greenville. There's another smaller office in Greenville. The office that I run is in Greer, which is great, and then we have a Spartanburg office as well.
Your newer one.
Yeah, all over the upstate, and we also have an iPhone and Android app that people can put on their phone if they're in a wreck. It has some good information about what to do.
See, that's because I want to talk about the first few seconds because right now, in a couple of hours, there's a sweet local family that's getting ready to bury somebody that was in a wreck. He was helping somebody. He had gotten out of the car and was hit by someone. So many times you hear, if you're in a wreck, don't get out of the car. Is that?
That's a very sad situation. Well, I think it just depends. If you're in a wreck and there's any danger, you certainly don't want to be inside a burning car.
Of course.
But if it depends on the conditions, really. I think the first thing you do is just make sure that you can get out of danger.
Okay.
And if you do need to get out of the car, do it in a safe way. Don't step out into traffic on the interstate or anything like that.
Right. This is one of those freak things. Someone slid on the ice. Like if it wouldn't have been icy, it would be completely different scenario.
It's very
how
sad.
Many how many highway patrolmen would they have to come up with 200 accidents?
Right. Those troopers have a very hard job, especially when weather conditions get bad and they're all over the place.
Well, let's talk about where you are again. Okay?
Sure.
What towns?
We have 4 offices, and our primary offices are in downtown Greenville, Spartanburg, and then an office in Greer, South Carolina.
And you're
so
there.
I'm there all the time, right? Just sort of spreading it out across the upstate.
Monty? He comes.
Monty's main office is downtown, and he's traveling right now for work, so he sends his regards, as
That's what he
always.
told you. He's fishing or something.
Maybe so. I don't check up on
Knowing
him.
Monty,
He's making it happen.
Yeah.
Now, do you represent both sides? Like if I were to hit Jack, would you? I mean, how does that go? Or do you just do the one that was injured?
Sure, yeah.
But you can't represent both at the same
Not
time.
at the same time,
represent them both.
obviously.
That's
yeah.
right. Yeah, I'll tell you what we do as a
Yeah.
firm. I think that'll answer the question.
Okay.
We do personal injury work and usually represent people who've been injured in an auto accident or in some other type of injury case. And then we do workers' compensation where people have been hurt at work. And then we do some criminal defense and some immigration work as well.
Okay, so you cover it all.
Workman's comp.
Yes, and that's a good one that you bring up because you're saying if you get hurt at work, you got to make sure that you document that right away.
Yeah, we were just talking about that. I think the most important thing that someone could do if they get hurt at work is to tell someone right away. You don't want to bury that. You don't want to suffer in silence. You really need to let your employer know right away, and the law requires it.
And you
don't be
can't be
intimidated.
fired because you're hurt, right? And they can't be. Some people are like, I
Legally,
don't want to
probably.
tell people because I don't want them to fire me.
Yeah, thankfully South Carolina does have a law that more or less makes it wrongful or illegal to fire someone just for filing a workers' comp claim.
The problem is some people feel intimidated by an
Talking to the
employer
They-
when something happens.
I have had many clients that have told me that, but we tell them the same thing that we would tell anyone. Make sure you tell somebody if you get hurt. You need to let someone know right away.
The more documentation, the better. All right, I love it that you have the app. That's super great. The Carolina Law Group They have really nice people standing by to answer your calls, and you will get in touch with someone. I've met them, and they're
Good.
very nice people.
You need to ride back to Greer, I'm going there for lunch.
Sure.
I'll
Yeah.
drop you off.
Sure. I appreciate that.
You're
He's a decent driver. So
Yeah.
so y'all should be good.
Well, thank you for having me on. This
Thank you,
has been
Mitchell.
great.
We appreciate it. Very good information. Well, stay tuned. He's known as the funniest man alive, James Gregory. We're
And
going
he
to
is.
talk to him.
He is, and we don't argue about that.
Yeah.
Plus, don't forget the question of the day. Do you have a secret place you hide money? We want to know where that is.
Why? So we can come and take it?
Yeah, we need your address when you also tell us where you hide it.